Hey guys, alright, today we have a Honda GX160. It's a small engine, and the cylinder head, I was taking the spark plug out, it was really tight, and finally I got it to break free and got the plug out, but the cylinder threads are, whoever put that plug in probably cross-threaded it when they put it in, but they're no good. I can't even get a new plug in, so I'm going to show you how to get a spark plug chaser and rethread that. Here we go. This is the tool right here that you're going to need. It's a spark plug chaser. One size is 18, one size is a 14. If you're doing a small engine, you're probably going to need the small size over here. And the part number from Napa looks like to be 730 right there. And you can see it's a 14 and 18 spark plug opening thread chaser. Now what you want to do is take a little bit of grease here on your finger and you want to wipe it around the threads, because what's going to happen is when you're putting this in and chasing those threads, you're going to get little metal shavings, and you want that grease to capture all those little shavings to keep it from falling down onto the piston head. Alright, now we got the grease on there, we're ready to chase. Alright, so there's our spark plug hole there in the head. Going to take our rethreader and make sure it's screwing in. Don't force it in there and rethread it. I mean, cross thread it. There you go. Now, depending on how bad yours is, it might get tight right from the get-go. This one is going in a little bit, and we're going to keep turning it until it gets tight. Alright, now she's tight. I'm going to put our 13/16 ratchet on there, and I go in ever so slightly. Don't need to force it in. Starting to get more resistance there, but I can see it has definitely got more to go. It's getting tight. Alright, now what I'm going to do, because it's getting real tight, it's not all the way through, I'm going to back it off a hair, and then I'm going to tighten it even more in. I'm going to back it off a hair. Tighten in some more. Back it off. Tighten some more. I don't know how. Well, let's try to roll with that and see what happens. I don't want to hit that piston either. Alright, after 4 or 5 attempts, a moment of truth. That thread chaser, I felt that drop all the way down in there that time, so that's that chased the whole head there. Let's see what happens. There it is. Plug is in. Voila. Well, you can hear the machine running behind me. Fired right up after I did that, but you might find a couple other guys online that are doing it, and I watched a couple of them as well. And some of the guys, I don't know if they cut the struggle out, or maybe their threads just weren't as bad, but they made it look really easy, and you're not expecting to go into this thing and turn that thing in there one time and then it works. With me, it took about 4 or 5 times. I had to keep rethreading it in there and going deeper and deeper. But that's it. So hopefully this helps you out if you have the same problem. And if you can, guys, just please hit subscribe below. I really need about 75 more subscribers. I try to do these videos daily to help people out, and hopefully I helped you today and again in the future. I'll see you next time.